If Microsoft Edge is acting up and you want a quick way to troubleshoot it, this video will show you how to open Microsoft Edge in a safe, private browsing mode using InPrivate. Now, just to be clear, Edge doesn't have a traditional safe mode like some other apps, but opening an InPrivate window is the closest and most useful option for testing whether extensions, cached data, or cookies might be causing a problem. So if you're trying to load a website, sign into an account, or check whether Edge is behaving normally, this is the fastest place to start. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can launch it from the taskbar, the Start menu, or by searching for it in Windows. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dot menu, also called the More menu. Click on that three dot icon to open the main browser settings and options. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, select New InPrivate window. This will open a fresh browsing window that doesn't use your existing browsing history, cookies, or saved session data. It's especially helpful if a web page is not loading correctly, if an extension is interfering, or if you want to test Edge in a cleaner state. You'll know you're in InPrivate mode because the window will usually have a dark theme or an InPrivate label near the top. From here, you can try visiting the website again, signing in, or checking whether the issue still happens. If the problem goes away in InPrivate mode, that often means the issue is related to your browser data, extensions, or a previous session rather than the website itself. If the issue still happens, then the cause may be something else, like your network connection, the website, or a system-level setting. This is a simple but very effective troubleshooting step, and one of the first things I recommend whenever Edge seems slow, buggy, or unresponsive. And just a quick tip, if you need to go even further, you can also try disabling extensions, clearing cache, or creating a fresh Edge profile. But for most users, opening an InPrivate window is the easiest first step. So that's it. Open Microsoft Edge, click the three dot menu, and choose New InPrivate window. Simple, fast, and very useful for troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.